Hey everyone, Reed here. So today what I want to do for this video is actually ask you, the community, maybe for some ideas on videos that you'd like to see. I've been doing this for years now. I try pretty hard to release a video every Tuesday, do live streams on Fridays. Every once in a while I do run a little short on ideas, and I'm at a point over the summer having a lot of activities and everything else, and rather than trying to throw something together a little haphazardly on a topic for a weekly video. I do a video this week specifically just on asking all of you if you want to drop some comments for some suggestions. In general, these are the shorter, like 3 to 5, maybe 7 minute videos on anything from front end, back end, and Power BI, so reporting, modeling, DAX, anything in the Fabric platform, but just shorter tutorial videos that I normally release on Tuesday. And I just want to get a pulse from all of you and viewers in the community on some of the things that you would like to see as a video. So I'll use this week as an opportunity to ask all of you to do that. So drop it down in the comments down below. Let me know what you want to see, and help get me some ideas to continue to record videos to give back to all of you and get an idea of what would be interesting or helpful for you to see and for the community in general. So I will see you in the comments.